Hey, Edgar's from Funneltopia here, and finally we have pre-built section templates in the funnel and website builder. By which I mean, I just went to just like a random funnel page, and if you click on Add Elements over here, you have pre-built sections. This is a completely new thing, and as you can see here, there's categories, right? Like for example, Welcome, which is like the above the fold section for a website. About Us section, this is our team, right? Testimonials. So all this stuff, it's just essentially it's better to drag, let's say, yeah, there's like a testimonial section. It's better to drag this in as opposed to recreating it from scratch, right? This just makes it so much easier, saves so much time. This is a really big favorite of mine, especially like building a lot of pages and funnels. This just, even if you have all the experience in the world, it's still easier sometimes, a lot of times, to just take an existing thing and rearrange some things, change some colors, right? Obviously change the copy, but just like part of the work is done for you, and you can oftentimes this is especially good for like newbies. They can just it's kind of easier to work with it when you have like already like a template that you can mold, as opposed to like coming up with something completely new without knowing a lot about the topic or how to do it. So again, this is a big one. It's in any page builder or a website funnel or website page builder. You can just go here plus and then pre-built sections. You can just select kind of first instinct is to just go through each and one of them, so you know what you have, what kind of ammunition, like what kind of tools do you have to, you can work with. Go check them out. A lot of cool stuff here. But yeah, that's about for this one. If you have any questions, definitely let us know over here in the chat 24/7. If yeah, just we'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible. But if you don't have any questions, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.